In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to split a drum track using a virtual instrument track in Pro Tools. We have our virtual instrument right here and we have the MIDI notes here, right? This is just a drum loop that I prepared using the Stereo Drummer plugin, which is this one. Listen to it. Alright, so all you need to do is just go to event operation window right here, click on it, or you can use the shortcut Alt 3 in the numpad and you're gonna have the same window, which is faster. Then you need to go for the select split nodes option. Let's unfold that one. Now we want to cover the full range. The range is how many notes are you using in the piano, right? So each note of this corresponds to a different sound in the drum. So what we are gonna do is just go all the way down and all the way up in the next one. So we make sure we cover all the register. We have all the notes there are for this specific group. Now we're gonna go here to split notes. We're gonna let cut because we want to cut, but we're gonna change this option. We're gonna select a new track per pitch, which means Pro Tools is gonna create a new track per note. So we're gonna have a new track per instrument, right? So just select your clips and press apply. Right, we can close this one. Now as you can see, we have the different notes. This is our original track, and all of these are the new tracks the Pro Tools just created with the individual instruments. If I press play, I won't hear anything, but now all I need to do is just to drag and drop the same plugin in each track. Just pressing Alt, you can drag and drop, and it's gonna copy it in all of them. Right, so now I'm gonna unselect my tracks. This is my original track. I don't need it anymore, so I'm gonna just select hide and make inactive. And now I have all my individual tracks. If I press play, I should hear the same group. Alright, so this is very useful when you want to have a special treatment for each track. You have the option to have separate inserts. You can add EQ, compression. You can change the balance depending on what you want, and start doing a rough mix, or you can go further and maybe change each of these tracks into an audio track and start mixing, which is very useful, and I hope this is useful for you too.